Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Guess where I am today? I actually went to Dior and I'm so excited to be here. I am attending the styling event and I'm gonna get something which I will unbox at the end of this video, so please stay tuned. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. I'm so excited to be back and to see the new collection. I always enjoy coming to Dior. I have such a great time and I love the clothes. And I also want to check out jewelry today, which I will show to you as well. I'll be getting something that I'll show to you at the end of the video. These earrings are so beautiful. I really like them. And I will also try on these rings and the watch. Unfortunately, the watch is too big for me, but I still want to show you how it looks. The design is pretty cool, and I will also try on this bracelet that is so cute. And I will also stack it with my Cartier Love bracelet. They look so cute together, and it actually feels quite comfortable on my hand. It's actually pretty light and I like the way my ring matches here too. The stack is quite nice. And I will also try on the watch with the bracelet and show to you guys as well. And here is the new watch. And I will also show to you the ring. It's very pretty and it has diamonds. I like it together with the bracelet and the bracelet on its own. It's really light, it feels so comfortable. It's so good. I am so into jewelry phase. I just like it so much. I love Dior t-shirts, and this is the first design that came in 2017 from the runway, and I really love that she is so feminist, and I like that all the t-shirts, most of the t-shirts by Dior actually have a special meaning, and it's so cool. I actually really like the way I feel in Dior clothes. I always feel so empowered and so great, and I find the clothes so timeless and so comfortable to wear. I'm going to try a few looks, and of course I will show them to you guys as well. Unfortunately, not all the items come in my size, but more sizes will be arriving soon, and I'm actually on the hunt for one sweater that I am so obsessed about. I can't find it on the website, but I saw it somewhere on Instagram and it's so gorgeous. I really hope that it will come to Singapore. I really need to have it in my wardrobe. I really like Dior sweaters and I can always create so many looks with them. They look great with jeans, with skirts, with shorts, with trousers, with everything. And this is my absolute favorite item from Dior, the Dior bar jacket that I love so much, and I have previously reviewed it in one of my videos, which I will link down for you guys in the description box below. These boots are so cool. They can definitely make a few outfits look so edgy and stylish. And I like those sling bags. My favorite Dior bar jacket, I actually always wear it with a belt like that. I need to try to wear it with longer skirts. And I love this vest so much. It's so cute. Actually, it would look amazing with this skirt and with those boots that I showed to you earlier. And these necklaces are so cool. I saw one of them on Instagram and I really fell in love with it. I had to come and try it on. It's so cute and I feel like these necklaces will look nice with my jewelry, with my current earrings. I will try both of them and show to you guys as well. I'm trying on the smallest one. I think it's so cute. And I feel like it will look amazing with all my outfits. It's not gonna look too much. And even with these earrings, it actually looks okay, and I can make it longer or shorter. I feel like this is a perfect length, and I kind of like this kind of dainty necklaces. I like that the design doesn't have sharp edges and it's not gonna get caught in my clothes, which is great. And I will also show to you how the bigger size looks. But I feel like this one is just so perfect, and I like it in yellow gold. And here is the bigger size. It's so gorgeous too, and it has a white mother of pearl. But the only thing is you can't shower with it. You can't wear it 24/7. Otherwise, it's just so cute. The design is so distinctive. It's really cool. And let me show it to you from far how it looks. I think I would style it with smaller earrings because the current ones that I'm wearing might be a little bit too big. I don't know, maybe I just need to get used to it. But what do you guys think? I feel like the smaller one can just go with everything, but the bigger size is super cute as well. I like it a lot. And I'll also show to you some bracelets and some rings. It's the second time I'm checking out Dior jewelry, and I actually like it even more this time. I feel like it's so easy to stack it, and I will try on some of them later after I tried on the clothes. And here are some more items. These bags are super cute. The size is so tiny and so adorable. Let me show you how it looks on me. They are actually very light. It matches that swimming costume, and it would be perfect to wear on the beach. Such a cute look, and I like the colors. It's very adorable. Let me show you some more cute items. I saw there are some sweaters here. They're so soft. And what else do we have? Some clothes that I have seen before from previous seasons. Some classic items. I think they're classic. And classic designs are actually my favorite kind. I like this one. Let me show you the cutest skirt ever. I really like this one. It's so nice. I like the buttons. I also saw this dress on Instagram. It's nice to check it out in real life. There was another super cute look. Let me show it to you. Look at this. I'm not sure if I can actually pull it off, but I really like it. It's so cool. So stylish. It would look super cool with some boots. And let's see what else is here. Some additional items. I like these jeans. They are really nice. I like the color. And some t-shirts. My nail polish is matching the color. And also some other items. I haven't seen quite a few. It's nice to be back. It's nice to catch up and see all the beautiful designs that I didn't have a chance to see. I like this t-shirt actually. It's super nice. I love Dior t-shirts. I keep wearing them a lot, especially now in the middle of pandemic, because I usually wear casual outfits and they look amazing with jeans, and the cut is so good. They're so stylish, and I also wear them with my Chanel jackets. They are perfect to wear outside, and when indoors it's just very comfortable to style it with the jacket or with a sweater as well. And I like this sweater. I actually spotted it on the website. It's so pretty. I like the color. Let me show it to you. The fabric is so soft. Let me just have a look at it. It would look so nice with jeans or with shorts or even with a skirt. Unfortunately, this one is in a size 36, and I think I need it in a size 34, or I think 34 is the smallest size, right? So I would need to get it in a smaller size. But it's really pretty. I don't want to try it on because if the item is too big on me, it's just not gonna look nice and it's just gonna spoil it. So I'm just showing to you guys from far. Some more items. And I also saw this white bag. So cute. I love the white color. My current obsession, actually, I like white and black, and I like the combination of both of them. I'm just going to try some more jewelry, and then I will show you guys more outfits that I wanted to check out. I like this current stack, it's super cute, especially with the clash ring. So nice. Even though the clash ring is actually in rose gold, it's not in yellow gold. And here is another ring that I wanted to try. It's so light, it actually feels super comfortable. It looks quite cute with the bracelet as well, and with the Cartier Love bracelet. And I also wanted to try on this ring that actually matches the bracelet even more. It's super light and feels very comfortable. So nice. So sparkly. I like this design a lot. And there was another ring that is so dainty, super cute. I practically don't even feel it on my finger. It's so light. And it's actually pretty easy to stack it with other jewelry. It's so cute. I never thought about stacking them, but it's really nice. I will show you some other outfits. I'm gonna try some of them and show you how they look. Unfortunately, not all the items are available in my size. I won't be able to try on all the looks that I absolutely loved, but the sizes keep arriving, and I'm really crossing my fingers that my dream sweater is gonna come to the store. I'm so obsessed with it. By the way, I will try on this skirt. It's super cute. It's made of leather. It's really nice. I'll show it to you. And also I will try on this blouse. It's really pretty. And I also have it in a black color. I tried these jeans, but unfortunately they were too big, but I'll still pair them with some outfits to create a look. And also the black one, just like the cream. And I really love this shirt. Unfortunately, it's in a bigger size. The vest is also too big, unfortunately, but I just wanted to show you this cute outfit. And I think this outfit would look amazing with those boots that I showed to you before. Remember these ones? It would look so edgy, and you can also style it with shorts, I think. And here is the black top. It's so cute. I like it. It's a little bit too big on me, I think, but it's really cute. And I will try it with the skirt as well. And I will also match it with the vest. Okay, here with the skirt. I think it's quite nice. I actually prefer it with the skirt. It's really pretty. This blouse is actually really good for Singapore weather. It's pretty hot outside, but it's chilly indoors. But I think for outing with the friends, it would be perfect. I paired it with the vest. It's quite cute, but I think I prefer the blue one, and I love those brooches. They are so cute, and I like two different styles combined together. And here is the black top. It's quite cute, and I like it together with this skirt. And later I will just try it on just with the bralette to show you how it looks together, and I will style it with jeans. Here we go. I'm just wearing it here with the bralette and the jeans. And here is the white top. It's so cute. Actually, I like it. It's a bit oversized on me, but I think it's quite nice. I will also try it on with the vest just behind me, the one that I tried on earlier. I think it would match it better. It's such a classic item, and I think it's gonna be very easy to style it. I think it would look great with a skirt, with shorts, with long shorts, with jeans, with black trousers. It's really nice. And here it is with the vest. I really prefer it with the white one. It's so much prettier. It's super cute. I like it a lot. I really like the combination of different fabrics. It's really nice. And let me show you super cute belts. I like this one. Unfortunately, I don't have an outfit. I don't have a dress to try it on with, and the white shirt was too big, but I think it's so cool. It can elevate any outfit, any dress. It's really nice. And you can also style it with some jackets. It depends on the fabric if it's thin enough. And also there is another belt that I already have. It's my absolute favorite belt and I highly recommend it. I like it a lot. I wear it with my Dior bar jacket all the time. Alright, I'm at home now and I'm going to show you two items that I picked up. Let me just open it. I know that I'll be using both of these items a lot and I definitely needed them in my wardrobe. By the way, this is the receipt. And also I have a magazine here that I was given as well. Let me show it to you. I saw such cute items, and by the way, the watch that I tried on is here too. This is cool. And I really like Dior. I like that Maria Grazia is empowering women and the customer service in Dior is so amazing and the clothes is so chic and stylish. Let's see what is inside. I'm very curious to check it out. Oh, this is so cool. I like it. These are the slogans on the t-shirts that Dior has. And I picked up the white bralette. I have the black one and I use it all the time. I use it so often and I just needed it in a white color as well. Let me unbox the item that I bought as well. I think you guys guessed that I got this one. It's so cool and timeless and I think I'll be wearing it quite a lot. I think you will see this item in my pictures and in my videos as well. It's so cute. I really like it. It's in yellow gold to match the rest of my jewelry. And here is the certificate of authenticity. I will not be opening it. Just wanted to show you. And there is also travel pouch. And I usually keep my jewelry in travel pouches. It's a lot more convenient. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked my video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!